June is almost over. Today is what again? It's 25th. Okay, today is 26th. 6 months gone. We are now counting few days to go. Salary people are waiting for salary to come so they will know where to start spending their money from. So in today's video, I want to talk to you about what to do, how to win in the next 6 months to wrap up 2026 beautifully. Like, was it not some weeks ago? It's looking me like it's some weeks ago that we did Happy New Year. Oh. Hey, my God. So, like joke, oh, 6 months has wrapped up. First quarter, second quarter gone. We are entering third quarter and fourth quarter. So, as you're preparing yourself mentally, please, I want you to know that there are some things you need to master in the next 6 months, and you're going to be far ahead of where you are right now. I want you to look at it as 6 months of possibilities because you know what? Building wealth is not about making one perfect decision. It's about making good financial decisions repeatedly over a long period of time. So understand that it's not just one thing that takes you out. You have to get so good that your decisions are going to rhyme. So you don't need a new year to make a new fresh start. You can actually make a fresh start from July. Yes, you can build better money habits. Think of increasing your income, start investing, eliminate debt, and you win big. So, small, consistent actions that you can take will completely change your financial story in the next 6 months. By the time we're heading into 2027, you are going to focus on the opportunities that you actually took, you took the bulls by the horn. So, I'm going to discuss some things you need to know so that you would actually these 7 things I want you to actually focus on. These 7 things are what I want you to focus on because they're going to help you. They may seem simple. They may seem some people feel like I know them now. It's not about knowing them, it's how you put them into practice. So welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Julia, and on this channel you learn how to make your money work for you. So consider liking this video, drop a comment, let me know how the last 6 months has been for you and how you're preparing yourself financially, emotionally, every other way. How are you preparing the next 6 months? And here in this channel, you learn how your money can work for you because you can't work every day of your life, but definitely your money can work for you. So consider subscribing so that when I do new videos, you'll be one of the first people to watch them. And of course, consider sharing this video. T for thanks. So the first one I'm going to talk about is lifestyle creep. Why am I talking about lifestyle creep? The truth is, social media has a way of putting pressure on people. Sometimes you see your mates and they dress up so well, they're doing content, the house they're staying in, everything, the dress they are wearing, the things, everything, makeup, everything, point, check, and that pressure begins to come to you. You forget that you have a life you're building and you start trying to meet up because you want to look like the person you're seeing, not even knowing if maybe most of those things they actually borrowed. So I want you to focus on what truly matters. Write 3 things that you think in this second quarter, second half of the year are very important to you. Is it money? Is it scaling up? Is it a project? Maybe you want to get a new laptop, or you want to take a course, or you want to travel, or just write 3 things that make a meaning. And of course, write 5 things you're going to do to make those things come to pass. So I also want you to do something. The economy is also harsh. Try to live below or within your means. Do not try to pressure yourself. It doesn't make any sense. I want you to be able to have some money to be able to invest and build real wealth because financial freedom is worth more than luxury. It's worth more than looks. I'd prefer you build a portfolio that can fund this lifestyle so that you can travel. As you're traveling, the money you have made is making the money you're using to travel. And when you come back from that trip, you still have more money. That's the mindset I want you to have. Okay, so that when you are going to have more money, is with what you have built, with what you own, that will make this money stay with you for a very long time. The second thing I want to talk about is your circle. Yes, because sometimes the people you stay with, the people you talk with, the people you listen to have a way of shaping your future. Some people have become better because they have certain kind of friends around them. They have some people they talk to. They have some opportunities, some circles, some programs they attend, and it has changed them. So spend more time around people who are looking like how you want to be in future. People who are financially responsible, because they can expose you to knowledge, ideas, and opportunities, and that can take you from 0 to like 100 ASAP. Now, the third one I'm going to talk about is develop high income skill. The money you make is tied to the value you can provide. In your workplace, some people don't bother for promotion. They don't even want to go and attempt because they know they may not be able to offer what is required. But when you add value, you go for upgrade. You'll be able to go to and tell your boss, I need the promotion. I'm offering this. I have this now. So the more valuable you become, both in skill, in knowledge, the more opportunities that you are going to create for yourself. More skills can lead to more income. So I recently found someone who talked about 4 AI skills that people are quietly using to earn between 100 to 800K monthly. And the guy talked about 4 skills. The first one is how to build a full website from a single prompt using AI. So he talked about how professionals can actually hire you, businesses can hire you, so you can build website for them and you can charge 200K to 500K. He talked about how you can automate a business process in 30 minutes. So talk about welcome email, automated responses. People want life made easy, and that's also centered around businesses. He talked about creating a professional video without a camera, whether for people or for YouTube. And he also talked about building digital products. These are some of the things he mentioned that people need to. So you can pick some of these things and learn to scale up. It's very important. Now, the next one I'm going to talk about is track your expenses. Look at the last 6 months of your life. If you can go through your bank statement, or you are the kind of person who writes down the things you spend, look through all of them and check where you spent the bulk of your money. Is it justified? You will notice that you probably spent money maybe eating out, hanging out, buying gifts, impressing people. In this quarter, you do a reverse. You do more, become selfish. Tell them Coach Julia said so. Become selfish for this quarter, this second half of the year. But I want you to track your expenses. If you cannot remember from January to try the last 2 months, the month of May and this month of June. Take your time and document everything. Look at it. Are you proud of where you're spending your money? When you look at how much you're spending and how much that you're earning, are they making sense? If your income is higher than your expenses, you're in a good side. But if your income is lower than your expenses, there is trouble. You have to go back to the last point I made about going to get high income skill. Now, the next one I'm going to talk about is avoid unnecessary debt. Yes, because sometimes debt can destroy wealth. The money you're supposed to be building small, you're using it to service debt. Interest going up every day, and anytime you have any delay, it accumulates. And sometimes these debts come from lifestyle creep. That's why I talked about the lifestyle creep, the first one. I want you to use debt strategically and not emotionally. Don't borrow and then you don't have a plan. Before you even borrow, consider what you're going to do. Even if the plan you have collapses, do you have a backup plan? Don't be harassing people because you have a loan to. You don't know the ones they are also, the loans they have also taken. Probably they took loan to invest. So when you are crying to them, they too also have their own issues. So don't think you are the only one. Other people are also on the same page. It's knowing whether you're on the good debt side or on the bad debt side. And then the next one I'm going to talk about is build an emergency fund. Please, I'm going to beg on this one. Build an emergency fund. Emergency fund is important because it does one thing for you. We have what we call unforeseen circumstances. I saw a video some days ago. Somebody's salary came and food appeared, the rent appeared, transport, data, and then while they were still struggling for the money, unforeseen circumstances arrived and say, please wait, before they take care of all these ones, I have to be sorted out first. And they were like, oh, and that's like our reality. Sometimes emergency fund is like this floater I just showed on, you're watching right now. It gives you a buffer. So instead of going to liquidate your assets, the money you have in stocks, the money you have in mutual fund, you go to your high interest savings account and take from the emergency fund you have there. And at least it will take care of the emergency you have at that point in time. So an emergency fund will protect you from investments being liquidated, especially during difficult times. I've seen people who liquidated all their funds and they started from scratch. What they built in 2 years, they liquidated it in 24 hours because they have no emergency fund. So I hope this one has entered your ear, not the one that will enter the left and then go from the right side. And then the last one is my favorite. In this quarter, in this third and fourth quarter, please learn how to invest and start investing. I would say join our community, but even if you feel you don't want to join our community, you can join any other good community. I'm interested in you learning. It doesn't have to be me, but I want you to learn how to invest because it's going to give you a lot of leverage. If you want to retire in the next 10 years, in the next 20 years, I recently taught my community members the roadmap to their first 100 million to 1 billion. And it was interesting that some of them felt like, this is something they can easily do. But when they mentioned that big money, it looks like it's impossible. But when you break it down into different steps of what you can do, you will see it's very easy for you to actually hit those numbers. So please learn how to invest. This is one of the best times to start investing in the US stock market, in the Nigerian stock market, in the mutual fund market, especially the equities. Many of them have gone down, and it's giving us the similar opportunity we had in January before markets started going up. So now we are in that same zone again, and so many people are going to make money if only they listen and do the right thing. So you can come in and join our VIP 9.0 and get access to the different investments. We have different opportunities ranging from 20% to 500%. Come in and get the knowledge. Come in and get proper guidance. Come in and get the right information that would help you. If you're looking at how can I build my portfolio from here to here in the next 6 months to 1 year, you have those information in the community. So it is only 65,000 naira. Consider it is batch 9.0. Come and join other amazing people. We have a lot of people who are excited, who are getting their lessons, and they are so excited that they are learning a lot. We have just 5 new slots remaining because we've closed up on the old one, and I decided to give out 5 new slots. So come in, and you can also send an email to finwiseafricatribe@gmail.com in case you have issues with the payment link. But the link is going to be in the description of this video. It's a seller link. Click on it and it will make payments, and you get direct access to me, and then you get access to the community. It's very simple. Or you can send an email in case you have issues with the payments, and I will get you sorted out ASAP. So right knowledge, right stock, right price entry, investment plan. Those are all you need to make it work. So I hope today's video that you're enjoying over this weekend is going to help you to sit down and properly use this weekend to think about how your next second half moves will look like. Please watch this video again if it's possible. I will encourage you, please watch it again because it's going to help you a lot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I hope you subscribed so that any other video I'm going to be doing, you of course will be one of the first people. And please consider liking this video, share this video with your friends. There are so many people who would like to see this type of video to help them prepare themselves financially for the next 2 quarters. We have to end the year on a very big note though, and these are the simple things you can do that would help you. And I'm rooting for you. I want you to win. I want to celebrate with you, and I can't wait to have you even join my community because that is where the main activities are going on. So I'll see you. We're going to talk about a lot in coming videos, so stick around and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.